Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're ready to start. Check your battery and clear the lens, then open the camera app and choose photo mode. Once the scene is dim, night mode appears above the shutter. Tap it to view the exposure slider. You want to set focus by tapping the subject so the phone calculates exposure correctly. If night shows a multi-second count, either brace your arms, enable the timer, or mount a tripod. This first step gets you into control fast, so subsequent adjustments matter. Once done with focus, drag the yellow night mode slider to increase or decrease exposure. This directly changes how much light the sensor gathers. Make sure AE/AF is locked by holding on the screen until you see AE/AF lock, because auto changes will ruin long shots. Consider turning on live photo to keep a reference frame if you miss the ideal moment. Also, use the grid for composition and ask subjects to stay still. Longer exposures require steadiness to avoid blur. Tap the shutter and keep the phone as steady as possible until night mode finishes processing. You'll see a progress indicator. After capture, inspect the photo, and if it's noisy or soft, make a smaller exposure adjustment or add a bit of controlled light rather than maxing exposure. If night mode refuses to appear, restart the camera app or the phone and check low power mode is off. These final steps and that troubleshooting tip will get consistent night mode results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.